the iPhone 18 Pro has appeared in a new leaked real-world photo, and while some people were expecting another boring yearly update, these new colors may have changed the conversation completely. Apple's next Pro iPhones are expected to launch later this year alongside the foldable iPhone Ultra, but unlike the Ultra, which is rumored to arrive only in black and white, the iPhone 18 Pro lineup could offer a much more exciting color selection. And honestly, two of these colors could become instant favorites according to recent leaks. The iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are expected to launch in dark gray, dark cherry, and light blue. There is also a silver version reportedly being tested, though it may not be finalized yet. Now, a leaked photo showing the rear camera plates of the phones gives us a closer look at how these shades might actually appear in real life. It is not a full phone, but it is enough to reveal the design direction Apple seems to be taking. And the first welcome change is clear right away. Dark gray is finally bringing back something many users have wanted for years. A near black iPhone Pro. For a long time, Apple's Pro models have focused on silver, white, gold, titanium tones and softer shades, but many users simply want a clean, dark, stealthy flagship. Dark gray may not be true black, but it looks like the closest option Apple has offered in a while. That alone could make it one of the best-selling versions. A lot of users love simple colors that feel premium and timeless. Black or near black phones usually age well, look elegant, and work with almost any case or accessory. So if dark gray looks as good in person as it does in the leak, Apple may have a huge hit on its hands. The second big change is dark cherry. This color may be the surprise star of the lineup. At first glance, it looks subtle and classy. It does not scream for attention like bright red or orange, but the more you look at it, the more unique it feels. It has personality without looking flashy. That balance is hard to achieve. Some phone colors are fun for a few weeks and then feel too loud. Others are so neutral that they become forgettable. Dark cherry seems to sit right in the middle. It feels fresh, premium, and different enough to stand out. And for many buyers, that is exactly what they want. Then there is light blue, which gives Apple a softer and brighter option in the lineup. It could appeal to users who want something clean, modern, and less traditional than gray or silver. Speaking of silver, it may still be under consideration. If Apple includes it, that would give buyers a classic choice as well. But there is another detail hidden in this leak that matters. Reports say Apple is also trying to reduce the contrast between the rear glass charging area and the rest of the phone body. In simple terms, the back of the device may look more uniform and seamless. That means the phone could feel cleaner and more polished overall. Sometimes small design refinements like this make a bigger difference than major redesigns. A phone can feel more premium just because the materials and colors flow better together, and that may be important this year. Why? Because many rumors suggest the iPhone 18 Pro may not bring a huge visual redesign. Some people even describe it as a smaller update between bigger generations. If that turns out to be true, then color becomes even more important. When hardware changes are smaller, the finish, style, and identity of the device matter more. It becomes the easiest way for users to feel like they are getting something new. Apple seems to understand that. In recent years, the company has become much bolder with colors. We have seen shades like ultramarine, cosmic orange, and now possibly dark cherry. Apple appears more willing to make flagship phones feel fun again, and that is good news for buyers. For too long, premium smartphones were trapped in a cycle of black, white, and gray with only tiny differences each year. More color options bring personality back into the market. While the iPhone 18 Pro may not be the most radical upgrade Apple has ever made, it could still become one of the most attractive. Dark gray gives users the dark Pro phone they wanted. Dark cherry offers something stylish and fresh. Light blue adds a lighter modern option, and a cleaner rear design could make the whole package feel more refined. Sometimes the smartest upgrade is not inside the phone. Sometimes it is the one you notice the moment you pick it up.